All right, so we are going to kind of wrap up our talk on Pythagorean theorem here with the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. And that is just kind of seeing if triangles make up right triangles. So we're going to be given all the numbers and we have to see if it adds up and it's true in the formula to be a right triangle, essentially. So let's see. The hypotenuse, remember C is the longest side or number. So we're going to designate, even if it doesn't look like a right triangle or doesn't show the triangle, we're just going to designate C as the longest side. So this is C, these are A and B. Then we're going to plug in for A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're going to plug in the numbers. So 10 for A, 24 for B, and 26 for C. And then we will work on doing the math there. So 10 squared is 100, 24 squared, figure out what that is. 24 squared is 576. And then whatever 26 squared is 676. So now we're just going to add up these two numbers because there's the plus sign there. So 100 plus 576 is 676. Is 676 equal to 676? If the answer is true, then it is a right triangle. If it's not, then we'll figure out if it's acute or obtuse. So I want you to label these ABC and plug it in and get down to the end. So label these as ABC and get as far as you can. So try that one for me. So hopefully you said this was C, this was A and B. So you did 9 squared plus 9 squared equals 13 squared. So 81 plus 81 equals 169. 81 plus 81 is 162, which is not the same as 169. So these are not equal. If this number's smaller, it means it's acute. If it's bigger, then it's obtuse. So in this case, it's an acute triangle. Even though it looks like a right angle, it's not necessarily. Okay. Can you try, let's do this one. Try that one. So pause the video, try that one. Remember, C is always the biggest number. All right. Did you get, you plugged in 9 and 12 for A and B, 15 for C. Then you added it up and they were the same. So it is a right triangle. Okay. So on the back is a graph. So we are going to skip that one. We're going to skip that one. Yeah. So there's that.